Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to make your desktop look super cool. For this desktop setup, it's inspired by Tony Stark's Iron Man Mark 85 nanosuit housing that glows like arc reactor. After multiple iteration of my Jarvis theme desktop setup, this will be my last one that I would like to share with you. Before we get started, don't forget to hit like, subscribe if you haven't already, and get notified of my posts by hitting that notification icon. So let's get started. So first go ahead and download the zip file by the link in the description down below. You can use any one of the links posted. Now once you finish downloading, extract it or unzip it to a safe place you know. Then open it up and in here, move Jarvis icons and Jarvis wallpapers to a place like local disk C so that you don't accidentally delete them. To set a custom icons for general folder icons, you can right click the folder, go to properties, customize, change icon, browse, go to the icon folder where you have placed it, and in my case C drive, open any icon file, then click OK and apply. Now to change system folder icon, on desktop, right click, click personalize, and go to theme, scroll down and click desktop icon settings. You can click one of the system folder icon, then click change icon, browse, pick one you like, then click OK, apply. And that's how you change system icon to a cool new icons. Now for the cool parts. Go back to the unzip folder, install Rainmeter program, and click next, okay. Now run this Rainmeter once done. You can discard this, then go ahead and install Rainmeter scan file. Now on taskbar, find Rainmeter icon like this. If hidden, click the arrow, then double click the Rainmeter icon. Go to the skins tab, then right click skin folder. Click open folder. Now drag all the skin folders, or click Ctrl A to select all. Then move and drag everything up to the folder above, which is skin folder. Once that's done, all the skin folders should be located in your Documents, Rainmeter, and Skins folder. Go back to the Rainmeter program and Skin tab, refresh all, then go to Layout tab and click Mark 85 in, then load. Now if you happen to have no wallpaper shown, go back to the wallpaper folder where you have placed it. In my case, that's local disk C. Now in this folder, right click off Arc Reactor 85 and then click Set as Background. And once set, go back to the Rainmeter program, click Include Current Wallpaper, and save as Mark 85 in. And yes. Now do this for Mark 85 out. Click load. Now once loaded, go back to the folder and right click the on Arc Reactor 85 to set background. Now make sure to leave the check mark and click Mark 85 out and save, and yes. Now just for warning, make sure you're on the right layout before saving it to overwrite desktop setup. Now you can customize to your liking, like opening up another skins. Just click the INI file and click load, or just double click the file. and you can move around, position however you like. You can customize however you want. Now if you want to customize very specifically, like for example the action of the buttons, to do that you can edit the script file by going into edit, and here you'll see all the details for what does what basically. To open different folder or program, just change the file location or folder location that specifically changes that button. Now if you're stuck or unsure of anything, leave a comment down below. And there you have it, full JARVIS Desktop setup. Now I made this so that you can turn it off and on depending on your usage, so that when you're gaming you can leave it off so that it doesn't hurt the performance. If you liked this video, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.